What is going on, everybody? Top of the top. Welcome back to another episode of Life of Drewski. Happy Labor Day. Hope y'all made a play today. Hope you're having a great day too. Today, coming back with a cars and coffee video. I'm gonna give y'all that POV photography. If you don't know, I love shooting photography, especially automotive photography. And it's kind of rare that we have car meets in LA. I mean, Orange County is cool, but don't nobody want to drive to Orange County every motherfucking weekend, man. Why can't we do shit in LA? There's dope ass cars in LA too, you know? But I did find a new car scene on the weekends, so shout out to that. But before we go and shoot these dope ass cars, let's get a car wash on the FK. It's filthy. I got my camera gear on me. Shout out to some of the best air fresheners you can get. JDM vibes in the Type R. Let's go catch a vibe. Let's go find our favorite whips. Touch this car wash. I already know. Rocket Auto Wash. Y'all should pay me. Look, that's the deal right there. And that's why I come at, like, I do wash it, but sometimes you don't have time to wash it, and you gotta, you know, do a quick little rinse. But you gotta find the touchless ones. You gotta know where you're going, type shit, you know. Shout out Westside Car Meets. If you're from the West LA area, go ahead and give Westside Car Meets a follow. Up and coming car meet page. Let them know that Drewski sent them, and maybe we could do something in the future. Other from that, let's go look at some dope ass rides.
Focus on the health. About to be 30. Getting this money. Chasing the bag. Chasing that dream. Never give up. Always on the grind. Grew up on the shore. 2018. Being that tape. R.I.P. to my homie. Always be good. Doing it for you. Make a play on my shirt. Invested in myself. LA vibes, focus on my wealth. Yeah. Trying to make it a top. Yeah. Trying to let guns. Driving that rose. Driving that lamp. Type S. NSX. FKA. Tucked away. By my bitch, I'm breaking bad. When she mad at me. Got her driving bad. 63. Never on E. Living in that penthouse suite. She living lavishly. Yeah. And I fuck bitches by the 3 with her. Fly to the sea. Water like touching down to the land. My empire with my we militant. Switching lanes in the beam 6 deep. You can't see us through this 5%. Home squad switching lanes 4 whip 63 SMG. Won't do nothing less. Lady, I'm getting blessed. I was told to invest, time to flex. sunny day in LA. Gotta hop up in that bike, take a 7-mile bike ride down PCH. Yeah, catch a vibe. Catch my breath, take a sip of some cold alkaline. Had to readjust my beats, press play, listening to the Orange Prince on my financial freedom. Shit, you know what time it is. Shout out Larry June, I'm a real player shit. Everything that I do is real organic. Look, I'm just doing me, yeah. Shit, you know what time it is. Shout out Larry June, I'm a real player shit. Everything that I do is real organic. Look,